The Constitution of India. Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Hi students, welcome back to our computer application virtual class. How are you all? Hope you all are safe and healthy at home, right? So don't go outside unnecessarily, okay? If you want to go out, use mask, use sanitizers, right? So be safe, okay? So we have started our chapter already, right? So today we are going to see a new topic. So what we have discussed on the last class? Functional units of a computer. So tell me, what are the functional units? Input unit, CPU, storage unit and output unit, right? So today our new topic is number system, right? So let's see the topic. So students, number system, right? So what is a number? Number is a mathematical object, right? Then what is a number system? It is a systematic way to represent a number. Yes, number system is a systematic way to represent a number. There are four types of number system. First one is decimal number system, which we use commonly. Okay, so four types of number system. That decimal number system we common use. Okay, see, each and every number system has its own symbols or digits, right? And number of symbols is called base or radix. Clear? So there are four types of number systems. Each and every number system has its own symbols. Yes, and number of symbols is called base or radix. Yes. Now we will see what is decimal number system. So I already told you this is the commonly used number system. Right. So decimal number system has 10 symbols or digits, 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 9. Right. So the total number of symbols is 10. So the base is 10. So we can call it as base 10 number system. Yes. So the decimal number system is commonly used one. Yes. And it has 10 symbols. So it is also called as base 10 number system. Right. Now, have you heard about the word place value? Yes. Here lower class already പഠിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടാവില്ലേ place value എന്താണ്? Place value is the position of a digit in a number. Right. Place value is the position of a digit in a number. See here two examples, 743. So we can expand it as in this form. Right. 7 into 10 raised to 2, likewise, right. So here what is the place value means? 10 raised to 0, 10 raised to 1, these are the place value, right. See, always place value are calculated from right side to left. We usually numbers calculate left to right but place value we calculate right side. So 10 raised to 0, 10 raised to 1, 10 raised to 2, likewise. So in this number, what is the place value of 7? 10 raised to 2, that means 100. Right. And see the second number. So tell me, what is the place value of 7 in this second number? 10 raised to 0, like that means 1. Right. So place value means position of a digit in a number. So place value is also called as weight. Okay, so place value or weight of a digit is based on the position of the digit in the number system, and that is called positional number system. Right. So weight or place value is depends on the position of the digit in the number, and it is called positional number system. So for normal numbers, the place value is denoted in powers of 10 raised to 1, 10 raised to 2, 10 raised to 3 likewise. But for fractional numbers, the weight or place value will be denoted in terms of negative powers. 10 raised to minus 1, 10 raised to minus 2, 10 raised to minus 3 likewise. Okay, and this is common for all the number system. Okay, so normal numbers na positive powers, that means positive values ആയിരിക്കും, and for fractional numbers negative powers. Okay, now say this example 5876, and you can see the corresponding place value or weight, right, for each number, right? So MSD and LSD, see most significant digit and least significant digit. That means MSD means the digit which has the highest place value. So tell me which number has the highest place value? 5, alright. So here MSD is 5, and LSD means the number which has the least place value. That means here 10 raised to 0. So the number is 6. LSD is 6. So understand what is MSD and LSD? MSD means most significant digit. അതായത് ഏത് നമ്പർ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഡിജിറ്റിനാണോ ഹയസ്റ്റ് പ്ലേസ് വാല്യൂ ഉള്ളത് അതാണ് MSD, and least place value ഉള്ളത് LSD. So in this example MSD is 5 and LSD is 6. Okay. Now second one, binary number system. So binary means 2 online. Bi means 2, right? So in binary number system it has 2 symbols or 2 digits, 0 and 1. Okay, so the base is 2, so we can call it as base 2 number system, right? So bi means 2 and base of this number system is 2. So here you can see some examples, right? See, in binary number system you have to mention the number in this format. Okay, so you have to write the numbers in terms of 1 and 0. You have to keep it in a bracket, write the subscript 2, right? So in all the number systems we have to mention the number in the same format. That means the particular number in the bracket and on the subscript of the base of the particular number system. But in case of decimal number system it is not necessary to write the or to mention the base. Okay, so നമ്മൾ എല്ലാ നമ്പർ സിസ്റ്റത്തിനും ഇങ്ങനെ ബ്രാക്കറ്റിൽ എഴുതി അതിൻ്റെ സബ്സ്ക്രിപ്റ്റ് എഴുതണം. അതായത് സബ്സ്ക്രിപ്റ്റ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഇവിടെ ആ പർട്ടിക്കുലർ നമ്പർ സിസ്റ്റത്തിൻ്റെ ബേസ് ആയിരിക്കും. ഓക്കെ, പക്ഷേ ഡെസിമൽ നമ്പർ സിസ്റ്റത്തിന് ഇങ്ങനെ ഒരു ഫോർമാറ്റിൻ്റെ ആവശ്യമില്ല. സോ നോർമലായിട്ടൊരു ബേസ് ഇല്ലാതെ സബ്സ്ക്രിപ്റ്റ് ഇല്ലാതെ ഒരു നമ്പർ കാണുന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അത് ഡെസിമൽ നമ്പർ സിസ്റ്റം ആയിരിക്കും. ഓക്കെ, and in binary number system each digit is called bit. Bit stands for binary digit. Okay, so binary number system നമ്മൾ ഓരോ ഡിജിറ്റിനെയും bit എന്ന് പറയും. Bit means binary digit. So here we have an example. So the corresponding place values are here, and here it is not MSD and LSD. Here it is MSB. That means most significant bit and least significant bit. But the meaning is same. For binary number which has highest place value is MSB, and the number which has lowest place value is LSB. And you can see a calculation here. So we will learn the calculations on the coming sessions, right? So this 13 is the corresponding decimal number for this binary 1101. Okay. So as I already told you, so this is the format to mention a number system, right? So the number, and on the bracket you have to mention the base as subscript, right? And for all number systems, for fractional numbers you have to write it. You have to write the place value in negative powers. This is the digital representation of on and off status. That means for electronic machines നമുക്ക് on and off status എങ്ങനെയാണ് പറയാം? 1 and 0 അല്ലേ? ഓൺ ആണെങ്കിൽ 1 എന്നും ഓഫ് ആണെങ്കിൽ 0 എന്നും ആണ് അതിൻ്റെ സ്റ്റേറ്റസ് മെൻഷൻ ചെയ്യുക. ജസ്റ്റ് അണ്ടർസ്റ്റാൻഡ് ഇറ്റ്. third one is octal number system. So in octal number system, it has 8 digits or symbols 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 7, and the base is 8. So it is also called as base 8 number system. Right. So in a octal number system, the place values are powers of 8. Okay, and for fractional numbers, negative powers. Yes. Right. 8 raised to 0, 8 raised to 1, 8 raised to 2, likewise. And for fractional numbers, negative powers. So 8 raised to minus 1, 8 raised to minus 2, 8 raised to minus 3. Right. So here we have example 236 to the base of 8. Right. And you can see the corresponding place value for this number. Right. So this 158 is the corresponding decimal number for the octal number 236. Right. So the last one is hexadecimal number system. Yes. So it has 16 digits or symbols 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 9 and A to F alphabets. Okay. So the total is 16, then the base is 16. So it is also called as base 16 number system. Right. So here also the place value are powers of 16. Right. 16 raised to 0, 16 raised to 1, likewise. And for fractional, negative powers. So 16 raised to minus 1, 16 raised to minus 2, etc. Right. So this is the hexadecimal numbers for the corresponding decimal numbers. Right. From 10 to 50, we have the corresponding hexadecimal as alphabets A to F. Yes. So this is the example for hexadecimal 12 AF to the base of 60. Yes. So here 4783 is the corresponding decimal number. Okay, and you can see the place value for this hexadecimal number. Right. So in all the number system, we have to learn first the base of the number system, then what are the symbols and how to represent it. Right. Binary, octal, decimal and hexadecimal. So students, copy this content to your notebook and send me the pictures. Right. So be safe, be healthy. Contact me if you have any queries. Thank you.